Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create group chat polls on Instagram. So guys, first of all, open your Instagram application on your phone. Then we're going to open our group chat on Instagram. So we can go to the Instagram direct message. Then you can open the group chat that you want to create a poll. And for example, I'm going to open this group chat. So tap on the group chat, then you're going to tap on the sticker button. Then there will be several options for you. Then you're going to click on poll since we want to create a poll. Okay, then you can add the poll question right here. For example, I'm going to add your favorite music. And okay, and for the option, you can add it right here. I'm going to add ballad, rock, pop. Okay, after we're done, we just need to click on create poll. Then the Instagram poll will be created. Okay, I know the Instagram poll has been created, and that's how we can create group chat polls on Instagram. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.